Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Wes Fisher Show. I'm going to show you how I got 500,000 views in less than a month. But I'm going to say this is 500,000 views in 1 month.
Oh my god! Wow!
And this is my first time hitting 500,000 views in 1 month. This is off of one video. This is my first time doing it. So I guess you could say this is my first time going viral. So if you want to know more about YouTube specifically, leave a comment below. If you're not subscribed, please get subscribed to the channel and let's hop right into it. So looky guys, looky here. Oh my goodness, I finally went viral. So let me show you the video right here that I'm talking about. If you go under my content, you can see I had this video called DIY Cloud Light. I went on TikTok, I was searching around for, cool ideas to post on TikTok, and I came up with this. I saw it on TikTok, I said, I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a try, and it was not hard to do. I went to Walmart, I got some clouds, I got some poster board, I got some, some glue guns, and I just made what I saw on TikTok. And the thing about it is, I didn't know it was gonna be hot or not at the time, but then I was like, wow, this is blowing up. So as you can see guys, this video is not even a month old. I posted this video around December 19th. It's January 14th, so we're going on about 25, 26 days. And in that time, it's went viral. 539,000 views in counting, 27,000 watch hours. Now, if you're like me at the time, I mean, even still now, I'm a small YouTuber. Maybe you're a small YouTuber. Maybe you haven't got monetized yet. This video got me monetized. If you don't know, to be monetized on YouTube, you need to have 4,000 watch hours in a 12-month period, and you also need to have 1,000 subscribers. Guess what? I only had 1,000 subscribers when I posted this video, and I was right around the area of 4,000 hours. I want to say I was around 3,000 hours, 3,500. So when I posted this video, as you can see, it hit me over that hump, and it took me to the moon, people. So this is the video. I'm full transparency, guys. I want to show you it's possible. Listen, I've been doing YouTube for maybe 7 years now. I never made any money in YouTube. This is like my first video going viral, so let me just shine a little bit. But basically the goal is, guys, on this channel is to show you how you can do it as well. So I mean, to really get into the nitty gritty, to show you exactly how you can make a viral video, there's no step-by-step guide to it. There really isn't. You can go on your phone, and really right now, TikTok is so hot. TikTok is on fire. I'm going to be posting more other TikTok videos on that channel. But literally, go on your phone right now. Do it right now. Search TikTok. Look for crafts. Look for cool things that you think that is cool. This is actually my studio, so you can't see the clouds up here, but I was looking for a way to make my game / studio look really cool. And I'm just scrolling numbly in TikTok, wasting time, wasting money, and I finally saw something that looked cool to me, and I decided to do it. So the first step, if you want to go viral, if you want to get 500,000 views in 1 month, the first step, go on TikTok. The next step, scroll until you find something that sounds interesting to you. Find something that is a craft, something that you can do with your hands, something that is kind of a how-to. I'm not going to go make this a lengthy video right now. You can go on YouTube and search that. If you're new to YouTube and you really want to get started and making it grow faster and getting a big channel, you really want to start with how-to videos. Now, as you can see, this video right here, people see those clouds and they go, dang, how do I do that? The first thing people do is Google, how do you do cloud lights? And there you go. So you find that on TikTok, you find something that's interesting you. It doesn't have to be lighting. You might find a plant or a tree or a way to do a pottery. You might find something of many niches. You pick that niche that fits you, and then you create a video from it. So let's hop back in here. As you can see, like I said, 27,000 watch hours, over 2.4 thousand new subscribers in just 1 month. And mind you guys, I only had about 1,000 subscribers at the time before this video came out. Now I'm closing in, I think, on 4,000 subscribers on this channel. So it's just really cool. I've done a video before about the estimated revenue, or about my first YouTube paycheck. As you can see, I was not even monetized until this video happened, and then my first day made about $34, and just sky's the limit from there. So this is just one video of many. I'm probably going to have a playlist for YouTube specifically. Now, if you're not subscribed to this channel, you want to get subscribed to this channel. Let me tell you why. First of all, leave a like down below. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. I can't even say it. It helps with my YouTube numbers, the computer stuff, and it really helps me out. But if you're not subscribed to this channel, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to build your wealth, how to further what you're working on in your life, and make some more money from working from home. And the cool thing is there's 1,000,001 ways to make $1 million. YouTube is a very, very good one. I'll go over some other income streams. I'm going to try some new things on YouTube. I'm going to try some new things online, and I'm just going to share it with you. So if you want to come along the journey and see how this is going to go, and maybe you can learn something from it, subscribe below if you're not subscribed. Come on now, where you at? Come on. This channel is just now getting started, and I'm excited. It's going to be a lot of content. I'm actually going to do another video here in the next day or two about what I'm actually challenging myself to do when it comes to YouTube, and I'm sure you guys are going to get a lot of value out of it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.